In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design beautiful presentations in Google Slides. Creating visually appealing slides can make a huge difference in communicating your ideas clearly and effectively. Whether you're working on a school project, a business presentation, or something personal, Google Slides provides all the tools you need to make your slides stand out. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open Google Slides. You can do this by typing Google Slides into your browser or searching for it online. Once there, sign into your Google account. If you don't have one, creating an account is simple and quick. Signing in ensures all your work is saved automatically and accessible on any device, making it easy to continue your project wherever you are. After logging in, you'll arrive at the home page. Here, you'll find a variety of templates available for immediate use. Browse through them and select one that best fits the tone and purpose of your presentation. If you want something professional, there are sleek and clean designs. For a more creative or personal project, vibrant templates can make your slides pop. Choosing a template gives your presentation a consistent style, saving time while ensuring a polished appearance. With your template selected, focus on design and content. Consistency in fonts is key. Use 2 or 3 fonts maximum, one for headers, another for body text, and one optional accent font. This keeps your slides professional and cohesive. Next, add images to enhance your slides. Click Insert and select Image. Upload from your computer, use a URL, Google Photos, or the built-in Google image search. Always choose clear, relevant images that support your message. Balance text and visuals carefully. Avoid overcrowding slides with too much information. Well-balanced slides keep your audience engaged and make your message easy to follow. By following these steps, you can create presentations that are both beautiful and effective. Explore different layouts, colors, and styles until you find the best fit for your presentation. Remember, Google Slides saves your work automatically, so you can experiment freely without worry. With consistent practice and creativity, you can produce stunning slides that leave a lasting impression. The possibilities in Google Slides are nearly endless, so take your time, enjoy the process, and happy designing.